This is DashboardSymbols.com. Here we replace the dead battery in an Alfa Romeo key fob with a fresh one. The key fob style has been in use with some models since 2017. We'll use the mechanical key as a tool, and we'll need the help of a very small screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. We'll need to remove the back cover from the fob, and to do this it will need to be removed from the keyring. Now squeeze the ridged edges on both sides and pull the cover down and away. This exposes the mechanical key, which is sitting in a cover that hides the battery. Slide the key out and use it to turn the cover counterclockwise. Turn it until it reaches this stop and lift it away. And there's our CR2032. There's one good spot to get the screwdriver underneath the battery, right here, and out it pops. A new battery slips in beneath this bit of plastic. But first, don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but note that it can be quite slippery in the cloth. If you make a final move with a finger, use the cloth to wipe it clean again. Make sure the markings are up. Slip the battery cover on and turn it clockwise into place with the mechanical key. Then slip it back into place. It will only go in one way. Slip the back cover on about 1/4 inch from the top and slide it back into place. Then test the locks and you're ready to go. For help with other keyless or push-button start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube, subscribe to this channel, or go to DashboardSymbols.com.